Hey, are you here to learn the English language? Good, you're at the right place. I had learned my English language from the very basic by my teacher. He has taught me from the very basic, and I want you to know all those basics also. Sorry. So, the very basic of the English language is, I want to ask you, what do you mean by language? What comes first in your mind when you hear a word language? 5 seconds और 10 seconds? अरे मैं टाइम पूछ रही हूँ, आपको कितना टाइम दूँ ये सोचने के लिए कि लैंग्वेज एक्चुअल में है क्या. आपके दिमाग में लैंग्वेज वर्ड सुनते ही क्या आता है? जस्ट टेल मी नाउ इन द कमेंट बॉक्स. राइट इट डाउन नाउ. For 10 seconds, 10 seconds will be enough to write. Okay, hope you have written, and if not, so you have got it in your mind that what is language. I had asked you to write it down in the comment box so that I may get to know what your opinion about the language is, what is the meaning of the language in your mind. So just comment me. After the video you can comment also, right? So the language, what I consider is language, it is a medium when you want to express your thoughts, your emotions in front of anyone. You need a language, right? Second thing, what comes in a language? What is required to speak a language? Think. Sentences should be there in any language. Can you speak any language without the sentences? No, we can't. So, sentence. Now, what is a sentence? अभी ये sentence क्या होता है? What comes in your mind? Just comment me, okay? No one is going to judge you. What did you write? But the most important thing that you had written, what is a sentence? इन सेंटेंसेस में क्या देखा है? क्या होता है सेंटेंस में? कुछ वर्ड्स होते हैं. अगर मैं कुछ भी वर्ड्स उठाकर आपके सामने लिख दूं तो क्या ये सेंटेंस है? ठीक है. You know this is a wrong sentence. Why? Because the words are not in the correct order. But now this is a correct sentence. I will give you the next video and I will tell you the easiest way to understand these 4 things that you need to line up in your general rule. Then only you'll never make a sentence wrong. Okay, that's it for today. I'll make that video very soon. Like, subscribe my channel so that you'll get notified, and share it so that your friends can also get away something from this video. Thanks a lot to be with me here. Thanks a lot.